Something for everyone. Look how smart it is.
Ain't it smart?
It's smart. Then it's Mercedes. Then it's very much not Mercedes. It's an SS. At least that's what the grill says. That one says it's a Volvo. Another SS. Camaro. Well, it's just SSville. Dodge. Then we got ourselves a Buck and Bronco. Square body Chevy. Cougar. 429 Raymer Mach 1. 289 Mustang. Then we got us a big old Buick. She was 17.5. She marked down to 15 now. We got us a Gator.
I don't know if that one's for sale.
That one's probably not for sale. Then we got us a Z28. TJ ski. Then lightning struck. Mercury. Mustang. Then we got another big red fine automobile. What do they want for this fine 1965 full Galaxy? It's yours for $53,995. $29,000 for that fine auto. Got us a Cutlass. Oh God! Everywhere I go, it's a Jacob Novosel. Ranger Danger. Speaking of Ranger Danger.
Dangerous Rangers in Lee Hopkins Enterprises. With the hood scoop. And the classic PT Cruiser. What a hot rod.
We've got a Willys with a Cobra emblem on the side. I wonder what's under the scoop.
Probably not an L134.
Yep, 32 automatic. Extra hood, 1995. We got some Carlisle van action, then we got some Dodge action, then we got some purple Austin, I believe. Yeah, 48. Then we got some Marlin, but we weren't going fishing.
And a Chrysler Cordoba.
And then there was Cordoba.
That's cool.
Yep, Cordoba.
Sold, got lost.
You're having fun?
Yeah. All right, here we guys. How about you?
Grills, wheels, and hoods, and Trans Ams. If you want it, it's here. Bicycles, chassis, axles, transmissions, and more Pontiacs. There's even stuff if you don't want it. I mean, lime green pickup beds. If you're 50 to 52 or 53, 56 Ford. It's pretty cool. I like the green. 48, 49, 50 Fords. Milwaukee and DeWalt.
Buy a transmission. That puts me out of the buying business for a while. And intake.
Boss 429. Intake and all.
This is fine.
Yeah.
Complete except for that one. Squeeze back in there and start looking.
On.